Garlic, a potent natural antibiotic, has many health advantages. Still, a lot of individuals are unsure about the ideal method to utilize garlic for healing various conditions and maximizing its perks. This video will cover the remarkable health benefits of garlic and how it can enhance your life. We will also detail the proper garlic consumption technique to ensure you access all its benefits. Before we begin, if you've ever used garlic, please like this video to show your interest. If you're new, remember to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for our newest content. Garlic is a potent antibiotic that works against different infections, bacterial, viral, and fungal, unlike other antibiotics that target only one type of infection. Its exceptional capacity to fight all three microorganisms makes it a versatile and powerful natural treatment, distinguishing it from traditional antibiotics. The optimal method for using garlic. Garlic holds abundant allicin, the element behind its unique flavor and scent. Allicin, having sulfur, is tied to multiple health perks. Research highlights that preparing garlic notably lowers its allicin levels and other key components, lowering its health properties. For optimal garlic benefits, consuming it fresh is ideal. This clip will present the top 2 approaches for ingesting fresh garlic to gain maximum nutrients and enjoy its vast health advantages. Initial technique: ingesting entire garlic cloves. One way is to consume an entire clove of garlic. It's recommended to do so on an empty stomach, as garlic doesn't harm the stomach in this condition. This is particularly advantageous for individuals experiencing stomach discomfort or acidity. After being ingested whole, the garlic clove stays whole until it gets to the intestines. In the alkaline setting of the intestines, the garlic breaks down and lets out its beneficial components, specifically allicin. This is the point at which the genuine power of garlic starts, functioning as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic substance. Allicin acts as a disinfectant for the bowels, advantageous for individuals with intestinal parasites or colon infections. Numerous research has indicated that garlic aids in decreasing inflammation and functions as an antioxidant, boosting the effectiveness of cortisone hormone, which possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. Moreover, allicin aids in enhancing the immune system and reducing bad cholesterol levels. Second method: eating crushed or chewed garlic. What occurs when you consume crushed or chewed garlic? When garlic is crushed or chewed, its distinctive smell is released as allicin breaks down, reducing its potency. However, this method still offers significant benefits. Crushing or chewing garlic releases various organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that aid in stimulating blood circulation and supporting heart health. It also helps regulate cholesterol levels and lower triglycerides. Despite the reduction in allicin, this way of consuming garlic still offers important health benefits for cardiovascular health and overall wellness. Selecting the correct method for using garlic for maximum health advantages. To achieve the wanted health perks, it's crucial to pick the right method for consuming garlic. Ingesting entire cloves. Consuming whole garlic cloves won't deliver complete benefits for heart health, artery safeguarding, or fat reduction. Nevertheless, it presents notable merits as an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-reducing substance. Crushed or chewed garlic. Eating crushed or chewed garlic releases various sulfur compounds and antioxidants that boost blood flow, promote heart wellness, and lower triglycerides. Moreover, it aids in purging liver fat, thus aiding in fat burning on internal organs like the liver. Understanding these distinctions will help you select the most suitable method for consuming garlic according to your individual health requirements, blending both techniques for optimal health advantages. For obtaining the complete array of garlic's health benefits, it is advisable to blend both techniques. Morning. Ingest a whole garlic clove while your stomach is empty. Lunch. Include crushed or diced garlic in your meals and consume ample water. This method permits you to utilize garlic's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-reducing attributes in the morning, while also profiting from its circulation-enhancing and fat-burning impacts during lunch. This establishes a thorough regimen for health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.